Hi, today we're testing the Bentley Continental head unit out of 2015 Bentley, and the initial problem was that the unit would reboot non-stop, showing this logo and reboot, showing this logo and reboot. And now we're testing to make sure the problem is gone. And it's a pretty common issue, looks like, even though the car is not very common. And you can see it's all working. Now it's asking for the pin code, which is normal. When you connect it in the car, it will be all good and fine. So what about this unit? Let me show you the part number from it to make sure. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, the unit probably of course is located in the front of the car, in the dashboard. And to take it out, it's a bit of a hassle, but there's not many options. But we fixed it in the United States and provide 1-year warranty, and the unit works good, and it should be no problems since then. What else to show you? The functionality is good. You can turn on, turn off. We tested it for hours. Everything's good. Once again, this is the part number, and this is how the unit looks like. If you have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you.